the next project adds PHP for an interactive component. And we use PHP because it runs on the server. And if we want to access data in our database, that is stored on the server, and we need a language that is server side. Whereas HTML, it's only interpreted by your local computer's browser. Okay, so that's why we need PHP. There's other scripting languages like JavaScript, but that gets interpreted by our browser. All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to install PHP. So sudo apt install PHP, and I already installed mine, but go ahead and type this command here. Here apt install. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do mine. All right, if you get the scary hot pink screen, just hit return and take whatever the default is. It doesn't really matter which services you start. And then you'll get the dollar prompt back. Okay. You'll also need to do this other install for the project next week. But for now, let's create a simple PHP script. We will call it hello.php. So go to your home directory. Okay, and basically, it's just 3 lines. The opening PHP tag and then the closing will surround your command. And notice what's inside. It's a Unix command because it runs on a Unix server. So we can run that echo command. Okay, so then you just have to escape WQ. And then just like we passed the shell script into the shell command, we're going to pass this command file into the PHP command. Okay, and it should come out with hello world.
Wait, sorry. How do you save it one more time?
Well, first let me get rid of my mistake. Okay.
Save it. It's the :WQ.
Thank you.
Oh, when it does that, it says no file name.
:WQ. You shouldn't need a file name. Oh, did you go into VI without a file name? Well, then you would do :W and give it the name hello.php. Okay.
Oh, there we go. Thank you.
You know, if you just do VI and hit return, it's going to need the name of the file. Okay, so this just proved that your install worked, PHP is working, and a simple script. Okay. Now, here is a sample script that we can do in the Apache root server. All right, so we're going to do the same thing. Now, it's missing a quote here. It should be a quote. All right. Now, notice we're echoing hello world, but we're also putting some HTML tags around it because we go to the server and then we get our response, but then we have HTML code. We have this PHP embedded in the HTML. So what we're going to do now is go cd/var/www/html. That's the root folder. Unclear. Okay, now we're gonna need sudo to create this sample.php. So sudo vir sample.php. Okay, and basically you have, well, you can go and grab it from the file in Canvas, or you could just type it in.